guys, welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to provide a solution to this mean value theorem question on the board. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabest online tutorial. The question on the board reads, the mean value theorem, use the mean value theorem, prove that there is a point on the curve y is equal to 2x squared minus x plus 3 in the closed interval of 1, 2. So let's get started. Solution. To show that there is a point on the curve y is equal to 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 in this interval 1, 2, the following condition must satisfy. And condition number 1 is what? Is for all x is an element of closed interval 1, 2 must be continuous. Then condition number 2 is for all x is an element of open interval a, b is the same as 1, 2 must be differentiable. Then the last condition, the general condition, is f prime of c is the same as what? F of b minus f of a all over b minus a, where what? Where c is equal to x. So if this condition satisfy, that means we can conclude that there is a point on this curve y is equal to 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 on this closed interval. Now let us check. Number 1, for all x is an element of closed interval 1, 2 is continuous. If you look at this function, it's a continuous function. This polynomial function is a continuous function. And condition number 2, any polynomial function is differentiable. So this function here is differentiable. So let us look at the last one. F prime of c is the same as what? F of b minus f of a all over b minus a. I recall from the question, a, b is the same as what? 1, 2. So from the question. So to get f of a is the same as, in the function, anywhere we see a, we are going to anywhere we see x, we are going to replace 1. So f of a is the same as what? F of 1. And f of 1 is equal to what? If you substitute 1 here, it's going to be 2 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 3, which is the same as 1 square is 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 2, minus 5 multiplied by 1 is going to give us 5, then plus 3. So if you have 2 minus 5 plus 3 is going to give us 0. So f of a is 0. Now let us look at f of b, and b is what? B is 2. So we're going to substitute 2 to this function in place of x. We're going to have 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2, then plus 3. So we replace 2 anywhere we see x in the function, which is going to give us 2 to power 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is going to give us what? 8. Then minus 5 times 2 is going to give us 10, then plus 3. 8 minus 10 plus 3 is going to give us what? Positive 1. So f of a is 0, f of b is positive 1. Now, f prime of c is the same as f prime of x because c is equal to x. Now we're going to look at f prime of x. In reply, we are going to differentiate this function once. So if you differentiate this polynomial function, 2x squared, the derivative of 2x squared is the same as 4x. Then minus derivative of 5x is 5, and derivative of constant is equal to 0. So now we can substitute into this equation. F prime of c is the same as f prime of x, which is what? 4x minus 5, which is equal to f of b is 1 minus f of a, which is 0, all over b minus a. b is 2, then minus a, which is 1. Now we're going to simplify and solve for the value of c. And recall that x is the same as c, so this x can also be written as c. So 4c minus 5 is equal to what? 1 minus 0 is 1, over 2 minus 1 is going to give us 1. Now we're going to cross multiply. 1 multiplied by this is going to give us 4c minus 5, which is equal to 1. Now we are going to look for the value of c first of all, we add 5 to both sides. It's going to be what? 4c, which is equal to, if you add 5 to 1, it's going to give us 6. Now, the next thing is to divide both sides. We divide both sides by the coefficient of c, which is 4. 4 will cancel 4. C now is equal to 6 over 4. And 6 over 4 can also be written as what? Can also be written as 3 over 2. So 3 over 2, and if you check this interval 1 comma 2 is the same as 1 less than c less than 2, and 3 over 2 is the same as what? 1 point something, and 1 point something is in this interval 1 to 2. We can find this 3 over 2 in this interval. So this is how to show that there is a point on the curve in a given function for the given interval 1 comma 2. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabes Online Tutorial. Thanks.